Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone ghost touches. So let's get started. So when it comes to ghost touches, there's multiple reasons why it might be happening. So the very first thing you want to do is ensure that there's no dust or oil or basically any dirt buildup that could affect your screen. So take a microfiber cloth and really wipe your screen down to make sure there's no smudge, grease, anything at all. You want to make sure it's completely clean and there's no kind of liquid or dirt buildup that could potentially make that ghost touch a problem. And that's one of the big problems when it comes to ghost touches. Another thing to also consider is if you have a damaged or screen protector that can interfere with the touch as well. Sometimes if you use it over time, it got cracked or the screen protector is old, or if you put a new one and it's too thick or it's impacting the way you put it on, it could also cause ghost touches. So you want to remove that and replace it. Now, after you have done that, the next thing to go ahead and do is go into your setting. If you're still having the issue here, go to General, Software Update, and update your phone's software. Usually a bug fixes from a previous update might cause issues with the touches on the screen, so it's always good to update your phone. Now, after you update your phone and you're still finding issue, it's time to follow this quick steps. First thing is you're going to press and release the volume up. Press and release the volume down very quickly, one after another in sequence, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I'll do volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to the side button just like this. And now you're going to keep on holding on to that side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears on the screen again. So as you can see here, I'm holding on to it. And as you see the Apple logo, I let go of that side button. And this is known as a forced restart, which basically shuts down the phone software completely, reloads the code. Again, fixing any software related issue that could be causing those ghost touches that you're experiencing. This method will not delete any of your data. And if it doesn't work the very first time, keep on trying it. This method does work. Key thing here is to quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, one after another in sequence, and then hold on to that side button. Now, if you're still experiencing any issues with the ghost touch, the next thing to do is reset the settings. So in your iPhone settings, go there and then go to General, scroll the way down to Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, and you're going to want to reset all settings. So when you reset all settings, right, it resets the settings themselves. It does not delete any of your data. So like your photos, videos, apps will still be on your phone, but it's important to do this part of the fix. Now, if you did all of this and you're simply finding it's still causing issues with it, it may be time to back up and then factory reset and then restore your phone again, which goes a little bit in depth, which I'll leave a link for another video on how you can do that. And I hope this video is helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.